securing the fringe with just a twisting fiber into each other, rubbing them to get nicely in. Then you twist it back. Voila, very strong and new fringe. That's the technique I usually use when I want my work to be absolute perfect. This is the Moroccan rug made out of wool, pure wool, and it's a very rare technique I use instead of just stitching in and making it look like a kind of cut. I just extend the fringe its own with the new fibers in, then it would look very strong and very nice, and it is very original, and the repair would look fantastic. I could just put a picture when that part is done, and you would see how amazing would look like if you use that technique. I do it one more time because these wool yarns are very thick. I use a double. The wool is from the same region. Just open it up, what the fringe is cut, remove some of the extra wool and put the new one in the tips. Twist it and make it to just the fiber hug each other, and I'm gonna twist exact the same way as the wool yarns or fringe is. Then this is like a 4 patch of the fringe. I just twist one by one and keep it here with clamp until I have 4. Then I twist them back together and mix it one like this. This is also a very unique way of securing the end of the rug or fringe. And well, as always, I am trying to be true to the technique and use the original technique, not just patching it. One more time. The cut exists in fringe, which is part of it. Just open it up, remove some extra of it, just place the new one between like this, then play with it until they just kind of get into each other and twist it back. Again, it's very, very strong. It's not like it's gonna fall or rip or disconnect. I'm gonna just continue the rest. You should open up the tips a little bit. I don't think anybody uses this technique in terms of rug restoration. That's what I came up with years ago in Turkey when I was working there. And I figured out that's the best way of the perfect restoration. And the last one. Just get always a little bit longer, because when you twist it, these yarns getting shorter. Like that, making like a cross in the middle, and put them all together. Play with it and twist it again. Then it is from left to right twist these yarns. Oh, no, right to left. Usually most of the yarn wools are from left to right, but the Moroccans do reverse. That's always puts me off. Okay, you grab the whole patch and you twist them the reverse direction, and you can't even rip this. This is strong as it gets. Just like you could pull the whole rug with it. Very, very strong, and it's gonna look fantastic. Okay, that's all for today.